Hey everyone, welcome back. A Subway Surfer is refusing to download the newest event city, keeping you locked out of the limited time session content. Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to Wi Fi and confirm that you have a strong, stable connection since new event clients are last downloads and a weak signal is the most common reason they stall or fail. Then toggle Wi Fi off and back on to refresh the connection. Next, go to settings again, go back to general and go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have several gigabytes of free space since each new city download needs enough room to fully install and it will fail silently if storage is too tight. Force close Subway Surfers and reopen it on a stronger connection to restart the city. Download cleanly, still not downloading. Go to settings again, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find Subway Surfers. Tap on it and then tap offload app. Then reinstall it fresh from the App Store so the event city downloads from scratch. So all you gotta do is confirm a strong connection, free up space, force close and reopen the app and reinstall if it's stuck. The event city downloads and that's it. Subscribe.